Hi. Hello, sir. Please, can I help you?
I'm looking for something short-sleeved. I mean, something nice that will fit
Okay,
me.
as gentle as you are.
Sure.
Okay, please have a seat. Thank you very much for coming. You're always welcome.
Don't worry, I'll be back.
Thank you.
Keep on smiling.
Thank you. Let me see you all.
What up, Abiba? Yeah, girl, I know we have a lunch date right now, yes. I'm parked in front of an Afrocentric boutique.
Mama Shee! Sadia! Mama Shee!
Let me call you back.
Sadia! Oh my goodness! Oh! Sadia!
Mama Shee!
Doing here?
Oh my shopping. This is coming out.
Well, you look troubled. They're missing money.
550 Ghana cedis. Meaning the engine in
I would say, Sadia, you've known her for long. Besides, has something like this happened before?
Akunta is my cousin, you know.
And so what? Huh? Ain't it dear? Abiba, if you want to memo. Hey, Abiba, be very careful with this matter. Yo.
See, I trust Sadia. But do you know she's been acting so funny ever since this incident broke? She's not been able to look at me in the eye.
Could be she's emotionally hurt. You are not in her corner.
Possibly. I really wish I had this backup battery for the CCTV camera. Video no lie. See, Akwa, you see, the sad thing is, Madam, that's in front of you. Wait, chill, no be a year.
Abiba.
I don't know who to trust. I honestly don't know who to trust.
Sadia, you really broke my heart.
But what was I supposed to do? Auntie Abiba made things impossible for me.
But why didn't you come to me? What did you think? That I wouldn't care?
Oh, Mama Shee.
You know you are like a little sister to me. We were all so worried about
Mama
you.
Shee, okay, I'm sorry. Mama Shee, I'm sorry.
Come here.
I'm sorry.
Stay in the shop. I'll be there shortly. Why? Oh, don't worry. Mr. Train me. Yes. Remember, Sister Michelle. 5 minutes. Okay, fine. I'm lying with the 15. Bye. Sadia, get me the car key and make up. Sadia. Ain't no way. Sadia.
Auntie Abiba, it is with a heavy heart that I write this letter. You have been very good to me the past 8 years, treating me like your small sister. You have taught me and given me so much. I will forever be grateful. I hope I have also been of some help to you, Auntie Abiba. However, I believe it is time for me to go. The past week has been very difficult. I have always been loyal and faithful to you. I have never stolen from you these 8 years. There have been times when you have entrusted me with thousands of cedis. So why would I take 550 cedis?
Okay, we need to do something about this. You and Abiba can't end like this. Not after all you two have been through together. But you know, I'm really proud of you though. You saved and opened your own shop. That's admirable.
Mama Shee, it's God.
And your hard work too.
Thank you.
Sadia, you're a strong woman.
Thank you, Mama Shee.
But you must patch up with Abiba. You know she was like a mother to you. And I know she's hurting.
Okay, Mama Shee.
Anyway, thanks for the bees. You'll be seeing me here very often.
You're always welcome, madam.
My dear Sadia. Continue with the diligence. And always remember,
The customer is always right.
good girl.
I said I don't have change.
So what do you want me to do?
Are you a child?
Sorry?
I do not have change, okay? Have your money.
Excuse me, sir. Do you need help? What was that about?
What?
I mean,
Hey! Then for whom back? There. And the payment but start from a spell or cry. When he the school fees.
This is unbelievable. So you mean she packed her bags and left without a word after 8 long years?
She left this letter and the money in contention.
What money in contention?
Ah, so you've not told her?
Sadia, it was 1,500 Ghana cedis I gave you. And you're here telling me it's left with what? 980. What happened to my 520?
Madam, please. It's true. That's all that I saw. I'm not lying.
Also,
madam.
I am lying, eh?
Oh, Sadia! Why would you do such a thing? Hey!
I didn't take the money. I didn't steal it, madam. Please believe me. I can't explain it.
Madam, I don't believe this girl. All these things she do, it be crocodile tears.
Believe me. Believe me, it might have been him. In fact, I didn't even count the money before I got to the bank.
Oh, me? Auntie Abiba, see how she want to drag me in the mouth she's in. Eh? Auntie, why would you do that?
My money.
Stop this right now. Hey, Mummy and Ure,
Get me my money. I don't care. You can kill yourselves. May man family sika mami a
Madam, I didn't take your money. Auntie Abiba.
Abiba, you made the wrong move. You might have hurt her really badly.
What was I to think?
I don't want to say I told you so.
So where is she now?
She left no forwarding address.
You mean you don't know where she is?
And her phone is not going through either.
Ha! Hey, pas possible. Pourquoi? This is outrageous. How? Oh no, no.
Hello. Where's Akunta?
Akunta. Akunta.
Yes. Oh. Abiba the Great. Hey, madam, I'm saying today you're looking so...
What's going on here?
Oh, you all come meet Mary, my older sister.
Oh, hello.
She's here to help us while Sadia is away.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Calling me.
But madam, I said today, party, yes, we so...
Hey, may you call? Hello?
Akunta. Akunta. Akunta.
Yes.
Can't you see that I'm busy? Take care of him.
Is that your small brother? The one you told me about?
Don't mind him, I've spoiled him.
It's been a long time.
Where have you been?
You know, I've been busy with business and all that, you know.
Are you sure?
Oh, it's all about money, you know that.
Are you going for that words?
It all depends on the seamstress.
Really? Hey, very soon you're going to be a grandmother.
Not yet. I've told her to take it slow.
You wish.
I trust Mimi. She'll really get to know the guy first.
You're right. Your daughter has a lot of common sense. It makes me wonder.
What are you insinuating? Enough with the Mimi stuff. Let's come to you. What's up with the UOF situation?
Stalemate. There's been no movement on either side.
You lose him.
Grace, I really don't care any longer. If he could go sleep outside without prompting me and come back home without any tangible excuse, all I can say is good riddance. My bro.
Hey, Abiba.
There she is.
Sorry, guys.
You're late.
I had to make a detour. And guess who I saw?
Who?
Sadia.
Sadia.
Where is she?
Relax, guys. Just take it easy, okay?
Sadia, right?
Yes. To who do I owe this pleasure?
Call me Nicodia. You used to be at Abiba's.
Yes.
Is this your new shop?
Yes.
Nice. It really suits you.
Thank you. Can I be of any help?
Yeah, I'm looking for a bead bracelet.
Okay. I have an exciting collection to show you. Just right for your swag. I'll be back.
Just a minute. I have something to show you.
Really?
I need you to do me a favor. Please pay this money into my account for me, right? 1,500 Ghana.
Okay, madam, let me bring my purse.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, madam. Okay, 1,500.
Please, Tracy, can you see you? The last time, why?
Okay, madam.
Idiot. Don't you know where the rack is?
Oh, your shirt will be perfect for it. Why? Will you give it to me?
Foolish boy.
This has been a burden to me ever since I took it. You know, I like to mind my own business, but I like you.
No, wait. Are you trying to tell me you were at the shop that day? Yes. You have no idea what this picture means to me. You have really saved me, Mr. Kwame.
Wikipedia.
Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. You know what? So let me bring your beads bracelet. Have a seat, okay? I'll be right back. Thank you.
Sadia has her own shop.
Yep. Huh? Don't draw into any conclusions yet, okay? Just take it easy. You remember how she used to stay with UMB? They gave her a loan.
Smart girl.
Abiba, I can understand all this must be very difficult for you to take, but you should be very proud of yourself. You made her.
Yet, she left without notice.
My dear, come on. You know, you hurt her feelings. People react to things differently.
You know she used to look up to you.
Grace. One Kalbeji. Even you. You guys, let's change the topic.
It's true, it's true, it's true.
A message
I'm
has
with
been
you.
received.
Ah, Sadia Nyadi. She shouldn't have left like that.
What's that?
And now your shoe shine. And now your shoe shine. Your blast will feet up. You see, we have something wrong when you see what power life. Nonsense.
VVIP. Send a dog a do.
Make a enter Kolo. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make a enter Kolo. Pass me the palm wine. Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we dey do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go. Kolo.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make I enter, make I go ahead. And if you know they feel my matter, Charlie, make you go away. I no get time where I just go on through way. So make I bust a lyric, we go enter into your head. Kumbaya, on more fire. And I'll make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know, say Sadia never expire. Miss Polo. Yeah, baby. Miss Polo.